Hello friends, today I show you how can making thumbnail. Many people making YouTube video use this app. You can making very good quality thumbnail. Okay, let's see. First you open your Play Store, then download this app. After I show you step by step how can making thumbnail. Click here, then open create thumbnail. Scroll down and going to YouTube. There have option YouTube. So here also you can Facebook cover photo and Instagram pictures. So other also you can if you want editing something can editing. So okay friends, now you see the thumbnail. Simply click here. Here you can see many type of background picture have. This all background also you can set, or you can going to gallery also you can take any other picture. If you want your other picture, you are simply going to gallery. Now I choose this picture. Okay, I choose ready this background picture. So here also can, if you want some zoom, this picture can zoom. Can set the size and click here. Click here and open your photo gallery. So you can see my phone gallery open ready. So here I can select the picture. Okay, select ready picture, or here also can you set the size, what size you want to use. Okay, click here. Okay, choose ready this picture. So here picture can you big or small, you how your size your thumbnail, you can adjust here your picture size. Click here. Here you can adjust your picture light or dark. If you want behind see the background, then can adjust light, or if you don't want, then you can adjust the dark. So here can set setting. Okay, next have you writing something. So next setting I show you, can writing anything, or can change color or change the style. Okay, now I simply writing here best HD quality. You two side give space. If you space give, then when you setting the color, very easy to color around this word can settle. If you two side no give space, then color no adjust properly. If you want some size big or small, just press this arrow and up and down move. Click here. Here you see many type of words style have. Which one you like, you can change here. So many have. So I select now. Okay, I think this one. Okay, anything you want change, just one time press this writing and automatically setting a open ready. Then here you adjust. Okay, now setting to color. Second option have color. So here are many type of color have. Any color you can select. Okay, I color select yellow. I think change the underline, cannot properly see, so I cutting the underline. I choose other style. So okay, this one okay, because I am making this time so underline show, so cannot properly, I think you see. Okay, I choose color ready yellow. So next I setting to outline. So okay friends, now you can see color again, same color can show, but this color have outline. So you see, can I select one color, then during this setting you can make outline big or small. Okay, this one okay ready. So I want again something writing, so click here. Here you can what you want writing, you can many time also you can choose and writing different and choose also different color. Okay, now I writing thumbnail. So same, if you want something other writing, just you see downside have text, just go there. Or if you want setting some image, so you can see image or effect or sticker or background. I think no need use, but okay, if you want use can use. So if you this same I now writing ready thumbnail, then this one okay. If you want some other writing, just simply click the text and writing again. This option also have, you can setting the color. Move this point up and down, then you can see the color change. So if you want this color dark or light, move this point, click here, then now setting the outline. So you can see this setting open ready. So here you can setting the color. So like this you can make outline big or small. Okay, next I think I finish faster. So okay friends, thumbnail is ready to use. So you can see very easy can making. Click here and save this thumbnail, then you can use your YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. This app name thumbnail maker, going to Play Store and easy can download.